Hey guys, while we were in Hawaii, I threw my son's Nintendo Switch in a hotel safe, and by doing so, I accidentally broke off the right analog stick. But then I found this repair kit on Temu. I'll post a link below. If you haven't heard about Temu, basically it's a marketplace just like Amazon, but it skips all the middle people and it comes straight from suppliers in China. And it got here fairly quickly. It's obviously like not like Amazon Prime where you get it the next day, but nonetheless, it seems like we have everything that we need here. So I was gonna do a video on how to swap this out. Yeah, I've never done this before, so let's see what happens. All right, so the cool thing is this kit supplies you with the necessary tools you need. So to just take the screwdriver, and there are like 4 screws, I believe, holding the back piece on. So just slowly undo those screws, put them aside. And once you're done with that, they supply this blue plastic wedge. You're gonna use that to pry the lid off. So just, do that carefully. Don't rush it so you don't break any tabs. And then pop off the battery with the same wedge. And then there's another plate there held down by, I believe there's 3 or 4 silver screws or stainless screws that's hiding the micro board underneath. So just go ahead and unscrew those screws and set them aside as well. Once you get all of them off, it should look like this. And here I'm just showing you the replacement piece of the analog stick. So the analog stick itself is being held down by 2 screws as well. So first you want to undo the ribbon, and you're going to lift the tab up first and then pull using the supplied tweezers, and then just undo the 2 screws holding down the analog stick. And reassembly is just the reverse of disassembly. So it should be pretty straightforward. Here goes the old part. Now I'm throwing the new part back on. Just be patient when you slip it back on. Make sure the ribbon goes through the slot. You can guide it with the pinchers there. So I've taken it apart a couple times now. The hardest parts are this part right here with the spring. It's easier to set it in place when this is off. And the second part is this ribbon here, which goes into this spot right there. You want to make sure that the ribbon is facing like that and not like that when you insert it in. Otherwise, the ZR button won't work. So make sure it's facing down the right way, like this. And you're also going to need extra patience because it takes a couple tries. So you're going to be here a while. All right, here you go, guys. It's on now and it's functional. You can see the broken pieces here that we replaced. Here's a new one. Just as good, and it feels just like the OEM one. I like this kit because it comes like with all the things that you need. The pincers here, the plastic wedge, and the tool as well, the screwdriver. It's got spares for the other side as well. And it comes with like extra hardware if you need it. So it's really good. I would rate it a 4 out of 5. The only thing I would change is I wish they had like detailed instructions on how to do everything. But I guess the product listing in the item description has kind of like vague stuff there. But also there's other videos out here on YouTube that show how to like take this thing apart in detail. But I just want to give a quick shout out to Temu. I'll leave the product link below in the description so you can find it easily. So Jackson, are you happy? Your Switch is fixed?
Yeah.
Give me a thumbs up. Sweet.